Have you noticed it yet? That tingling in your feet, that numbness that creeps in at night, that strange burning feeling that makes you want to move your legs just to feel something normal again. You told yourself it was nothing, just tired feet, just old shoes, just getting older. But deep down, you know it's more than that. Stop. Listen for a second. What you're feeling has a name. It's called neuropathy, and millions of people are living with it right now, quietly, without ever saying a word to anyone. Welcome to this channel. If you're new here, this is a space for real, honest wellness content. No gimmicks, no miracle cures, just simple things that can genuinely help your body feel better. If that sounds like something you need, subscribe and turn on the bell icon because we post videos like this every week. Now let's talk about your feet. Neuropathy isn't just getting old. It happens when the nerves in your feet and legs get damaged or irritated. Sometimes it's from diabetes. Sometimes it's from poor circulation. Sometimes doctors never find the exact cause at all. But here's what matters most. However it started, movement can help calm it down. Not a miracle, not an overnight fix, but real, gentle movement that keeps blood flowing, keeps nerves stimulated, and keeps your legs from getting weaker over time. Today, I'm going to walk you through 4 simple exercises. They're gentle, they're safe for most people, and they take less than 10 minutes a day. But before we start, one honest thing. If your numbness is getting worse, if you're losing your balance, or if you notice wounds on your feet that aren't healing, please see a doctor. These exercises are meant to support your body, not replace medical care. Your health deserves both. Now, let's get into it. The first exercise is something almost nobody does, and it's shockingly simple. It's called toe splays. Sit down, plant your feet flat on the floor. Now spread your toes apart as wide as you can, like you're trying to make space between each one. Hold it for 5 seconds, then relax. Do this 10 times. It sounds too simple to matter, but your toes have dozens of tiny muscles and nerve endings that barely get used in daily life. Shoes squeeze them together all day. This exercise wakes them back up. Most people never realize how much their feet have been sleeping until they start doing this. The second exercise is ankle circles. Lift one foot off the ground. Slowly rotate your ankle in a full circle. 10 times one direction, 10 times the other. Then, switch feet. This one matters because neuropathy often comes with poor circulation. Ankle circles push blood back up your legs, almost like a gentle pump. Some people say their feet feel warmer just minutes after doing this. Here's the truth no one tells you. Sitting still for hours, every single day, might be quietly making your symptoms worse. Not because sitting is bad, but because stillness starves your legs of movement they actually need. This is where things get more serious. The third exercise is heel-to-toe rocks. Stand near a wall or a chair for balance. Slowly rock your weight onto your heels, then forward onto your toes. Back and forth, gently, 15 times. This exercise does 2 things. It stimulates nerve activity through pressure and movement, and it trains your balance, which naturally weakens when your feet lose sensation. This matters more than people think. Falls are one of the biggest risks for anyone dealing with numbness in their feet. Strengthening your balance now, even in small ways, protects you later. Go slow. There's no rush here. This isn't a race. It's your body, and it deserves patience. The fourth exercise is calf raises. Standing, holding onto something stable, rise up onto your toes. Hold for 2 seconds. Lower back down slowly. Repeat 10 times. Your calf muscles act like a second heart for your legs. Every time they contract, they help push blood back up toward your body. For people dealing with poor circulation and nerve pain, this is one of the simplest, most effective things you can do. You thought resting was the answer. For a lot of people, it isn't. Gentle, consistent movement is what actually helps circulation and nerve health over time. So here's what a simple daily routine could look like. Toe splays in the morning. Ankle circles while you're sitting and watching something. Heel-to-toe rocks before dinner. Calf raises before bed. 10 minutes, that's it. Not a gym membership, not expensive equipment, not hours of your day. Just 10 honest minutes for a part of your body that's been quietly struggling. Consistency matters more than intensity here. Doing this gently every day will help more than doing it hard once and giving up. And here's something important to hold on to. Your body isn't broken. It's not failing you. It's asking for a little more attention than it's been getting. That shift in thinking matters. Instead of, something is wrong with me, try, I'm learning to take care of my body. Instead of, I'm getting old, try, I'm getting stronger, one small step at a time. If you're ready to actually try this, comment, I choose health below. It might feel small, but saying it out loud, even just typing it, makes it real. And if this video helped you even a little, a like helps this reach someone else who needs it too. Maybe someone who's been quietly struggling with the exact same thing you have. One honest question before you go. How long have you been ignoring what your feet have been telling you? It's okay if the answer is a long time. What matters is what you do starting today. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon, and we'll keep bringing you simple, honest ways to take care of your body, one video at a time. Your body isn't your enemy. It's been trying to get your attention this whole time. Today, you finally listened.